I now request Professor Jason Manjuli to address the audience.
Dear friends, I am very excited to stand here and talk to you today on the occasion of the inauguration of the IIT GN decennial. It's quite an achievement that we have completed 10 successful years of our existence. It feels like we have completed a tedious and long journey, but at the same time, it feels like it's all happened in a flash. I vividly remember my first arrival to the VGC campus and meeting General Aga, the then officer on special duty, and Urjit, who is sitting here today, the Dean of Student and Academic Affairs. When I was talking to Urjit, he asked me, "What would you like to do?" I said, "I would like to engage with students and I would like to play basketball with them." He said, "Very well, but we don't have a basketball court." I said, "Let's build one." Then I told Darshan Patel, who is currently serving in the hostel office, "Let's go around the campus and find a place." Without making any big fuss about it, we quietly went and got some sand, metal, cement, and we patched a small space between a parking area and a road, and we built a half court. In fact, it was not a half court, it was a quarter court with a peculiar shape. Over the 10 years, IIT Gandhinagar has evolved and grown quite a bit. We have grown from barely 100 square feet to 100,000 square feet, more than 100,000 square feet. We have grown from 90 students to 1,500 students. We have grown into all possible directions. One thing that makes us unique, and one thing that makes us important, is that we built this institution on our own terms. We defied the common imagination. We overcome our own skepticism. We, at the same time, kept the skeptics, critics, well-wishers, and our enthusiasts close to us so that we don't lose our perspective. And we built an institution whose way of life is worthy of emulation. As Hari said, I happen to be the first career faculty of this institution. And I'm also the accidental career faculty of this institution, because I was appointed to IIT Gandhinagar when I was appearing for an interview for a faculty position in IIT Bombay. I was a bit unhappy about it. But I told myself, what the heck? We have this opportunity to create an institution better than IIT Bombay, for that matter, better than any IITs in this country. We have seen a lot of people around us who thought building IIT Gandhinagar, which is building IIT Gandhinagar qualitatively identical to the other IITs, is a pipe dream. We didn't confront those critics. We didn't challenge them. We quietly lived and built that dream. And we continue to live and build that dream because we have and had a lot of people who are determined to create that dream a success, and a lot of people who worked hard sitting here today made that dream possible. And how did we do it? We believed in ourselves. We didn't succumb to the temptation of creating an identity, creating IIT Gandhinagar in the image of an existing IIT, because we reimagined the very idea of an IIT. And in this occasion, I feel we should not get lost in our achievements and accomplishment. We should be very mindful of the challenges and opportunities ahead of us. We should be perceptive and open to new ideas and new initiatives. We cannot remain ourselves as an elitist enterprise. We should continue to strive to uphold the egalitarian, inclusive, and democratic values for a brighter and new IIT Gandhinagar. Long live IIT GN. Thank you.